Hello everyone, my name is Priyanka Topiwala and today we are going to study Runge-Kutta method for solving ordinary differential equations in numerical analysis. There are different types of Runge-Kutta method. First order Runge-Kutta method is nothing but Euler's method. Second order Runge-Kutta method is the topic which we'll take in consideration at the very moment. So in second order Runge-Kutta method, the question will be given in the form of dy by dx, which is equal to some function of x and y. In this, some initial values of x0 and y0 would be given, and we have to find the value of y for some given x. The formula for finding y is y0 plus delta y, where delta y is given by 1 by 2 k1 plus k2. Here k1 and k2 is nothing but the constants. Value of k1 is given by h into f of x0 y0, and k2 is equal to h f of x0 plus h y0 plus k1. So and here h is some interval width between x0, x1 and x2. So for better understanding, let us consider some examples. This is the example. Given that dy by dx is equal to y minus x, so we have dy by dx is the sum function of x and y. An initial value, that is x equal to 0, y is equal to 2. We have to find out value of y at 0.1 and 0.2 using Runge-Kutta second order method. So at first we will have to find the value of h. How we will find the value of x? The initial value was 0. The first value that we have to find is 0.1, and the another value that we have to find is at 0.2. So what is the interval between the 2 points? For this, in this question the value of h is 0.1. Now here we have x is equal to 0 and y is equal to 2. That is x0 is equal to 0 and y0 is equal to 2. So first we'll find out value of k1 and k2. So formula for k1 was h into f of x0 comma y0. So we had h is equal to 0.1, and putting the value of x0 and y0 into our function, so we'll get 2 minus 0, which is on solving we'll get 0.2. Similarly, we will calculate the value of k2, which is equal to h into function of x0 plus h comma y0 plus k1. So here value of x0 will be 0. Value of this x will become 0 plus 0.1, which is equal to 0.1, and value of this y would become 2 plus value of k1 was 0.2, so it would become 2.2. We'll put this value of x and y in the function, so we'll get 0.1 into 2.2 minus 0.1, which is equal to 0.21. Now we'll find y1. y1 is nothing but value of y at 0.1 at x is equal to 0.1. So y1 is equal to y0 plus delta y. y0 की वैल्यू हमारे पास थी 2. So we have put that. डेल्टा y की वैल्यू हम यहाँ से निकालेंगे. डेल्टा y is equal to 1 by 2 k1 plus k2. So we put the value of k1 and k2, and on solving we get 0.205. So we have put that value over here, and on calculating we get 2.205. So there was another point for which value was to be calculated at x is equal to 0.2. So now we will find out value of y2, that is value of y at x is equal to 0.2. So what would be the formula? y1 plus delta y. Now we have to calculate, again we have to calculate the value of delta y. So how we will calculate it? From the value of k1 and k2. k1 is given by h into f of x1 comma y1. So we'll put the value of x1 and y1 into our function, which was y minus x. Okay, so value of y1 was 2.205 and x1 was 0.1. On calculating this equation, we will get 0.2105. Now we will calculate the value of k2, which is equal to h into f of x1 plus h comma y1 plus k1. So function of x1 plus h comma y1 plus k1 will be in the form x1 we had value 0.1 and h we had 0.1. y1 we had 2.205 plus k1. k1's value was 0.2105. So the value we got is 0.2 comma 2.4155. So value of x and y will put into this function and we'll have 2.4155 minus 0.2 multiplied by 0.1. The answer would become 0.22155. Now we'll calculate the value of delta y for putting it into this formula. So the formula was 1 by 2 k1 plus k2, which is equal to 1 by 2 into 0.2105 plus 0.22155. The answer for this is 0.21603. Now we'll put this value of y0 into the main formula, which is y2 is equal to y1 plus y0. Putting these values, we get the final answer as 2.42103, and this is what Runge-Kutta method of second order was.